How do you innovate to achieve your operational goals? Insight powers innovation, but what powers insight? That takes PowerInsight by Advanced Energy. Make data-driven decisions. PowerInsight simplifies the science and transforms data from power delivery systems into actionable intelligence. It's a plug-and-play solution with minimal downtime to get started, and it's even easier with Advanced Energy's unparalleled support. Get a real-time picture of your system's health. Detect problems before they happen. Identify and resolve issues faster. Record critical events and performance. PowerInsight runs analytics and predicts trends by collecting over 1 million data points every hour, processing over 100 different variables into easy-to-read dashboards and visuals. Combining machine learning, modern data science, and Advanced Energy's decades of expertise to deliver a critical decision-making tool, so you can focus on the insights that matter most. PowerInsight by Advanced Energy. Powering innovation. Transform today at advancedenergy.com.